In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change ERPNext theme. So you can find it by going over to prop.io/ERPNext. You should be able to see this. For this, just start a free trial by clicking onto this particular button, and from in there, it should be able to help you sign up to the Frog Cloud. You can continue with Google or also input right here your email. So for this, let's just continue with Google, and then you just proceed to log in with your Google account that you want to associate with ERPNext. Once you're done with that, just fill out the details and click on this Create Account option. So for this, it should be able to help you create the site. Just name the site right here and click on Create. This will set up your site with the theme already embedded. So just wait for this to be created. Proceed to enter right here your language, your region, and your actual currency. Click on Next right here and set up your account directly. You can also input right here the name of your organization, abbreviation, chart of accounts, and complete the setup. This will set up your system directly. So now we're currently on the dashboard. So for this, you can find your left sidebar. You can see website right here, so proceed to click on that. Once we're in there, we can see that we have this set up for our actual website. So what we can do in this case is we can proceed to change the theme for this. Just scroll down and click on this website theme. And then after that, you can see that our current theme is the standard. You can click on this add website theme option. Choose in here the name of the theme that you want to add. For example, let's create it as branding. Add in here the Google font that you wish to use. And after that, input right here the default font size. You can find right here the font properties, the primary color that you wish to use. You can also change the style sheet, the script, as well as everything that you actually need for this. Once you're done, proceed to click on save and you should be able to change your actual theme. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.